Today I'm playing a game called Pineapple on Pizza. Looks like a pretty interesting game. I don't know where the pizza comes in, because we're on an island, but... Hey! Is this... This Moana? That's probably a stereotype of this. Look at this guy! This guy's a... So, what are you doing over here? Okay, that guy's just chilling. I run very fast. Or is this Madagascar? Oh, boats. Can I play? I wanna play. I wanna play. Oh. I broke it. Oh. I'm still playing though. I feel really bad for breaking your limbo. Sorry, man. Are they doing the Macarena over here? They are doing the Macarena. Oh, I thought this was a tropical island. Boat, sailboat. Step on a sailboat, good. I can't go in the water. Oh, there's sharks out there, okay. Volcano. I probably need to get to that volcano, don't I? Look at this guy! This guy's just having a jolly old time! I love that guy, he's so cool! I'm doing this. Oh, what's going on over here? Ooh, the cornfields, One's feeding the birds! Are you friends with the birds? He's feeding the birds on time with the bee. That's kind of sweet. I feel like I'm supposed to be going... Yes, turtle! He's moving way too slow, I'm just gonna... How do I know if I'm going the right way? This guy's a great guy over here. A stone? That's... What are you doing? Oh, no, I don't want to see that. This game is lovely. Look at that guy on the rock over there. That's cool. I saw someone at a child. Oh, you have a baby! Aww. So sweet. I don't know what I'm doing, but I love this game. There's gotta be something I can do, right? This isn't just Happy Island Simulator. Oh, they gotta touch. They didn't touch. I'm disappointed. Oh, the Sun Gang over here worshipping. That's very nice. This one's throwing it down, okay. That one's busting it down. I feel like I am lost, and I have made a wrong turn. Okay, now I've made it. Oh, is this a... Okay, I guess we'll go up the volcano. Oh, I don't know if I should, should I do something? Hi. Bye. Do I have to jump in the volcano? is this gonna end? It turns out that I've actually been sacrificed. Well, in I go. Oh, am I immune to the lava? I'm just sitting in it. Oh wait, that's what it was for. Oh god, guys, we gotta go. We gotta go, guys. We gotta go, guys. Guys, at the cliff, we gotta go. Guys, we're gonna burn. Guys, we gotta go. Guys, we gotta go. We're gonna burn alive. Guys, did you not see the lava? You see it, right? You see it. Oh, wait. Did you miss the... You don't see... I don't mean to alarm you. There might be a lot of lava behind you. But also at the other time, I feel really bad. Like, the baby, they were just straight up tossing that baby around trying to save it, and it died anyway. Pineapple on pizza. That's the scream. Oh, the game just restarts? I might have to replay that, because I think this... I want to see what happens to the turtle! I am going to turn it down, though, now, because this game is very loud. Yes, apply, please. There were kids playing. Now I really feel bad, because I killed kids on accident. Hey! No, where was the turtle again? I just want to see what happens with the turtle, because that thing's really slow. Where is the turtle, the turtle, the turtle, the turtle? Why are you all by yourself? Turtle, turtle. Jeez, look at his feet. Look at that fancy footwork. He's doing the happy feet. Alright, there's the turtle. Where do you go, my friend? Do you just stand here? I guess, Hey! I guess this time we're just gonna go straight into the volcano, because I want to see what happens with there's a bunch of stuff that I want to see that I missed, probably. Like, I probably missed the secret with, like, the boat. Like, some people escape on the boat, probably, right? Oh, I saw my body for a second. I was an islander. I thought I was just someone that was, like, going to be sacrificed. Run, guys, get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, because the lava is coming. But they don't know that the lava is coming. Oh god. Guess now I can see what happens with the turtle. turtle just booked it, man! Wait, the birds. The birds are saving the man! And the thing's out of the popcorn! This man is safe, right? With the birds carrying more. Or is it too heavy? This man is gonna survive. No, he'll survive. He'll survive. They're carrying more, so he'll survive. Oh, the tree can fall in. They're safe. This man is safe. No, they're gonna drop him! Oh no! You're leaving this woman behind me. Okay, so people do survive. People do escape. Oh. You leave your entire population, but... Wait. So people do survive. I'm sorry, but the shark thing. Wait. What is that? No one survives. No one survives. No one survives, okay.